Alright, we got ourselves another hive.
Second week in a row.
Now she's gonna lower the branch into the box. And she's gonna use the one big whack of all the bees. Let's give it a good whack. There you go.
It's more than they think they are.
Bees are going crazy here. She's just brushing them into the box. I'm going to step back a little bit because they don't have full protection on. Yeah, this is a big one. And this is how you catch a swarm.
Nice and easy.
And hope
Every time you do, you get better at it.
or more confident.
Exactly.
It's a beautiful morning. The bees are kind of cold because it's cool out. We have a cold front here in
They're like stuck all over me. As if I was a branch.
Well,
Come on, girls.
oh, they're coming to me. They're getting really curious. All I have is my veil on, so. Spray some sugar water in there to get them nice and.
If I could get to spraying it.
So they worry about the sugar and not the people. So now I'm going to tang. You've seen a lot of us tanging before because we live by it. We put out our video out on YouTube, probably one of the first tanging videos on YouTube, just showing how well it works. And believe it or not, it calms them down like crazy. Just a couple minutes of this or a few minutes of tanging and everything just calms down. For you guys who don't know what tanging is, you can search YouTube for tanging Bunch Farms and you probably will get our tanging video. So there you have it. Here's the tanging part. So calming the swarm after catching it.
They're like landing on me.
Nah, they're not on you.
Hello and welcome. So these are my 3 newly arrived queens, along with the little nurse bees in their cages. These are called queen cages, and where they send them to. This here at the end is the candy, which serves as a food source for them. I did put a little bit of water over the little mesh so that they have some water after the long trip. They ship them in containers such as this, which is called a battery, so that the mailman does not get too curious. And now I'll take them out to my apiary and install them in my new hives. Okay, well, welcome to my apiary. This is the first caught swarm here. They're doing really well. They're very sweet. There's lots of brood. I just finished checking for the queen cells. There are none, which is very good. I do not want them building a new queen cell while I have the new queen for them ready. I am going to get the new queen cage out here. I do not know how they're going to react, but we'll hope that it's for best. I was told not to take out any nursing bees or anything. It's too big. Alright, well, what I'll do is I'll just take out a frame and I'll put the queen cage in there. Alright, well, you can already see the bees trying to crawl over the cage there. They're biting onto it a little bit because it's a new queen. They do not know who she is or where she's from, so in a few days, I guess they'll be used to her pheromone and they'll accept her, and they will have chewed through the little candy that's on top, and she'll be out laying her eggs. That's how easy the queen installing is. I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.